So I just filmed a bunch of videos just in the nick of time because my neighbors are making a ton of noise right now. But I want to do some press-on nails, even though I said I wasn't going to do them anymore. The last 2 packs that I have are pretty short, so like in terms of length. So I'll show each one to you. I'm really upset though because I can't find my tripod and I want to hang up ornaments finally because it's already, Christmas is like in a week and a half or maybe even less than that, and I haven't put the ornaments up yet. So I'm going to do that today, but I wanted to have my steady tripod. So now I'm upset because I'm holding you up with my hand and I just feel like it's not going to look as smooth. But anyway, I'm thinking of either doing these nails right here or these nails. I think I'll probably do these today. I'm currently rewatching the Queen's Gambit once again. See, I don't have a tripod to put you down on and I'm really upset that I lost it. But anyway, that's what's going on today. Putting on press-on nails, and then we're going to decorate the tree. Gil's not here yet. We're expecting a big snowstorm, so today's the only day we'll be able to do it. So I'm going to leave some for him to put up, but ultimately I'll be putting up a bunch of them. My closet's open. Don't look at it. Because I get confused when I select each size, so I like to put it on these little hand figures. That way I remember what finger each one goes to. So now I'm just going to file all my nails, and then we're going to glue them on. So I hung up some ornaments by my lonesome holding the camera, so if that footage was shaky, I apologize. My fiance is not going to be here for another couple hours, so once he's here, I'll put some up with him. So throughout the rest of the week, you'll be able to see what the tree looks like, and we're going to get some candy canes and hang them up. When I was a kid, candy canes was everything to me. It was so delicious, even though I hate the way it sticks to your teeth, and now as an adult, I don't really eat it. But I'm going to try it anyway because I want to hang them up on the thing. And if I don't eat them, my mom certainly will, so it's okay. I'm not editing anything today. Well, actually, I do have to edit today because I haven't put up a video yet. I'm so dumb. It's the 15th. Okay, so this is actually one of those rare occasions where you're actually going to see the video that I filmed and edited it all in the same day. Cool. That's great. I didn't realize that. What I was going to say was I'm not going to edit for the rest of the day. I'm just going to take all my memory cards to my fiance's house tomorrow because it might snow tomorrow. We might have a big snowstorm, and I'd rather be over there than have one of us stuck here or there, whatever, you know what I mean? I'm going to wait for my fiance to get here. We're going to put some more balls, ornaments on the tree, and then for the rest of the night, that's it. I'm just going to clean my room. So I'll see you soon.
Grandmas, grandpas, mothers, fathers, sons and daughters gather yonder, hang the wreaths, trim the trees. This is Christmas. Brothers, sisters, misses, misters, cousins, neighbors, friends and strangers shout it from the mountaintops. Hallelujah, we all know the reason for the season. Rejoice and know the King is born today. And boxes, hang the stockings, don't forget the red pajamas, candy canes and lots of chocolate. This is Christmas. Brothers, sisters, misses, misters, cousins, neighbors, friends and strangers shout it from the rooftops. Hallelujah.